So we meet again for the last drop list of the season. It's week 20 and y'all trying to know what's about to come out. I'm gonna talk about a couple of the pieces that are confirmed. We don't have everything yet. There's supposed to be a collaboration coming out with Griffin Studios. I don't know what the f they're about, but if there is any updates by the time I post this video, I will include it in the video. If they're not out yet, then it is what it is. We're gonna talk about what we got so far. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Don't forget to join us because we on road to 20K and low-key we almost there. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. At the top of the list, we got the Supreme Umbral soccer ball coming out. This one's gonna release in 2 colors. You got that white with the red Supreme box logo, which is the more traditional soccer ball. Then you got like this navy and red soccer ball, which I'm assuming has the same box logo somewhere on it as well. Honestly, if I were to go for this, I'd probably go for the camo one, simply because it is a little bit different, and I feel like if I were to play with it, I'd enjoy playing with that one a little bit more. The white and red one is clean though. I feel like both of these are gonna sell out, and I don't think they're gonna be too expensive, because how much could you really tax on a soccer ball, bro? Like if they charging over 60 or even 50 on this shit, they're wilding. Like they're bugging, bro. Like that shit don't make no sense. I looked it up and them shit's supposed to be $20-$30, so I'm expecting a little 58 girl, you feel me? Something like that. Second, we got a piece that's supposed to have been released at this point. I ain't even know it didn't drop, low-key, and it is this Helinox Bench. We spoke about this one a couple weeks ago and it was supposed to release. I don't know what the fuck happened. I probably slept that week. The Supreme Helinox Bench comes in 2 different colors. You got the red and then the black one. These look decent. I feel like it would be a fire addition to have in the room to just put some kicks on or some shit. Honestly, am I gonna go for this? I feel like it's gonna retail a little too high. In my opinion, probably like $350, $320 on this shit. For a little bench, I'm good on it, bro. Like that's a reach. Like I'm good on that, bro. But it is a fire piece nonetheless. If it's something you're trying to add to your room or something, it would be a fire addition. That retail looking a little steep though, not gonna lie to you. So apparently there's a linen fitted camp cap. I don't know how the fuck there's a fitted and a camp cap in one, but this is it right here, bro. I don't know if it doesn't have the little strap on the back. You gotta probably pick a size on a camp cap. That's type weird, bro. Like I need to see this shit in person. Imagine a snapback with no snap. Like what the fuck? That shit don't make no sense. Low-key, there's another piece that was supposed to have been released at this point, and it is this washed short sleeve. I thought this shit dropped too, but this is one of the pieces that I do like. It has like this graffiti Supreme embroidered on the front, something real simple. It's not even too big, which is clean. Then it has like that washed tan color. It's almost like a brownish that I'm really fucking with, to be honest. The only issue with this is that it's not regular tee price. So regular tees be like 38, 48 max. These shits be like $72 to $90 for a shirt. Like I'm not really, you feel me? Like I'm good on that. Like it's not that special. It is clean though, but I don't think they're gonna catch me on that type of vibe right now. If I do cop anything so far, it'll probably be the soccer ball, not gonna lie to y'all. Then we got 2 pins coming out. The bullet hole pin, shit sound crazy, and the goat pin. Both of these are some shit you could just add to your hat or whatever, a little vibe. If I were to cop one of these 2, I'd probably cop the bullet hole pin and put it on my fitted camp cap type beat. We also got the Supreme Vans that I honestly thought were gonna be good, but negative, folks. We got some skate grosso mids, bro. Like what? Why can't you just do a little old school Van? You feel me? Maybe a skate high. I'll take that, bro. What the fuck is a grosso mid? That shit sound crazy, bro. I'm good on those. Definitely sleeping respectably. If you're gonna get them, then I understand. You probably gonna skate them. I get that type of vibe, but to wear these casually, we do got this cotton utility jacket. This one's actually pretty clean, and that like plumish washed tannish color. It's like a tan pinkish washed color. I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna put it up here for y'all. That color looks fire along with the black one. That yellow color shit look crazy, but the other 2 actually not that bad. It has these asymmetric cargo pockets on it. Then it has like a leaning pocket on the top as well. The only thing throwing me off on that plum color is the black collar. I'm trying to get past that, but I just don't know know. That's why I'm kind of leaning towards the black one. And on the back of these pieces, it does have Supreme embroidered on there. If I'm being honest, is one of the pieces that I first saw when I did the lookbook at the beginning of the season, and I thought this one was a clean piece. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda am debating that jacket. I'm gonna have to get back to y'all on that one, low-key. There's one more piece, and it's the Ralph Stedman work shorts. These come out in 3 colors. My favorite probably being the black or the khaki. I don't know where they were going with that strong ass purple. Crazy, bro. Shit is out of pocket, but the black ones and the khaki color honestly are decent if you're looking for some work shorts, to be honest, from Supreme. I don't buy that shit no matter what. Like, you're not gonna catch me buying $150 work shorts with a skull on the side on some Ed Hardy shit, or like a 06 $7 tee. You know what I'm talking about. But them shits could stay right there. Like, it's not up to me. That shit is crazy. That's low-key all we got for the drop so far. If I get the pieces before this video drops, they'll be added on here, but if not, then I think that's it for the last drop list of Supreme. Expect different type of videos. I'm about to literally film some shit right now, like right after this. Y'all won't even notice it because it's gonna be a whole new fit, but it's okay. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, watch this video right here, which I recently uploaded, and then watch that because YouTube is recommending it to you anyway, so just check that out. You're already on here. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Road to 20K. We out, bro. Peace. Stay up. Nah, out.